Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Just yesterday I made this and I had the file, I kept the file, so I thought, let's do it a little bit different and make it go around a little. And I might even make a second video because I would like to be able to tell the difference between the two. And that's a total different video because on the last one, you got to change the order and it's a little tricky. But anyway, how I drew this, let's just move this out of the way. I'm going to set my nudge factor on about 20, and I'm going to move this completely out of the way. Now I'm going to grab this item. I'm going to go to Object, Group, and ungroup it. And then I'm going to grab this item, and I'm going to nudge it over. Now, I'm going to make this thing something easily remembered, so I'm going to make it 9 inches. Because I'm going to now take a 9-inch ellipse, and we're going to go, my ratio's locked, so it's going to, I only have to type it in once. I typed in 19, and I'm going to put that in the center of the page. Now, this is relatively in the center, but you can see that the rotation is already off, and that's not a bad thing. We can't reproduce this like normal. So let's change the nudge factor to 0.01. And let's nudge this thing up minutely, and you can hold down the shift key and it'll go faster, or we could change the nudge distance. But I want it right on that line. And I'm actually going to even zoom in a little bit. I don't think it matters, but you can see I'm not quite there. So I'm going to, well, when you're not zoomed in. Now, if I hold down the control button, it'll nudge the half the distance. So that's fine. That'll work. Let's now take this thing and rotate it. Now, if you notice that this one is already at 5.94 inches because I played around with it. So we're going to Control D and make a duplicate. And then I'm going to alternate C to put the rotation in the center of the circle. But then instead of trying to redo it, I'm just going to hit plus 30 degrees. And look at that. Now I'm going to Control D again and go all the way around. So when you can't, normally if this was just a blank object, you could recreate it and have back to 0, 0. But you can always add that number. And then if you take away your circle, you've got that look. Anyway, just playing around. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.